Hello everyone! Welcome to Jody's Kitchen. Charis. Magluluto po tayo ngayon ng ginisang paku. First is add oil. Ito, soya oil po yung ginamit natin. And then we will saute onions. Yan. Halo-halo lang po until golden brown. Then we will add tomato and garlic. Mix until tender. Then add the pork. Then add paku. Fresh from Baguio. Yan. And mix. Then add oyster sauce and pepper to taste.
Joy.
Mix. And we're done. Ginisang paku with pork. Yan. Kain po.